water and springs in medical terms. Lymph refers to a part of the body, while nymph refers to the water goddesses of Greek mythology. Lymph comes from the Latin lympha, meaning clear water or pure liquid. Nymph, on the other hand, originates from the Greek nymph, which referred to water spirits or brides. Both terms share a watery characteristic, much like a Squirtle vibe. Now, let's dive into similar words. Aidin and gland. Aidin comes from the Greek aidin, meaning acorn, and gland comes from the Latin glandula, also meaning acorn. But these acorns aren't just any old nuts. They're the kind you squeeze and imagine water squirting out. This imagery makes me think of those ketchup packets you squish, sending sauce flying everywhere. Try to infer the meaning of adenoid gland and lymphatic gland based on the etymology of the terms squirtle and archon. The word adenoid originates from aidin, acorn, and oid, resembling, while gland also means acorn. This makes the phrase adenoid gland literally translate to acorn like acorn. What an amusing redundancy! Similarly, lymphatic glands can be interpreted as water squirting, lymph, water squirting acorn, gland. With this playful breakdown in mind, what do these terms actually represent in medical science? Lymphatic glands, lymph nodes, are small, bean-shaped structures found in areas like your neck, armpits, and groin. They're part of your immune system and work as filters for lymph, a clear fluid that carries immune cells, waste, and harmful substances. When you catch a cold or mononucleosis, these nodes can swell, forming those lumps you might have noticed under your jaw or behind your ears. So, if your ketchup packets are acting up, it's time to get them checked up. Adenoids, on the other hand, are a specialized type of lymphatic tissue located at the roof of your nasal cavity. Like bouncers at the entrance, they catch harmful pathogens trying to enter your body through your nose. Adenoids are larger in children and shrink as we age. If they get inflamed, it can lead to adenoiditis, a type of pharyngitis, or if they grow too big, a condition called adenoid hypertrophy. Enlarged adenoids can cause breathing issues, leading to the less than favored adenoid face condition. The surgical procedure to remove this enlarged gland is called an adenoidectomy. Adenoma, on the other hand, refers to a tumor that develops in a gland. Our body contains many glands. Let's explore the various endocrine and exocrine glands. Endocrine glands secrete substances inside the body, while exocrine glands secrete substances outside the body, like tears, mucus, and sweat. Endocrine glands, thyroid gland, produces hormones to regulate metabolism and energy. Parathyroid gland regulates calcium levels in the blood and bones. Adrenal gland produces hormones like adrenaline and cortisol for stress response and metabolism. Pituitary gland regulates other glands and produces growth and reproductive hormones. Pineal gland produces melatonin to regulate sleep-wake cycles. Pancreatic gland, endocrine function, produces insulin for blood sugar regulation. Exocrine glands, sweat gland, produces sweat to regulate body temperature and remove waste. Sebaceous gland produces sebum to lubricate and protect the skin. Salivary gland produces saliva to aid digestion and keep the mouth moist. Lacrimal gland produces tears to keep the eyes moist and protect against irritants. Mammary gland produces milk for breastfeeding. Pancreatic gland, exocrine function, produces digestive enzymes for digestion. Prostate gland produces fluid that nourishes and transports sperm. Bartholin's gland produces mucus for vaginal lubrication. Ceruminous gland produces earwax to protect the ear canal.